And it'd be easier for him on the tray so he can push it up against this side and grab it with his hand.
I don't know. I kind of think he likes eating off the plate.
You want some more meatballs? Doing good. No, don't
Uh
turn it
oh.
over.
Yeah, that looked like a mess. Waiting.
Whoops. No, don't turn it over.
Ooh.
No. I don't tip the plate over.
We're celebrating the fact, son, that you're eating normal food, not throwing normal food. That comes later.
No. Yeah.
Jack. Jack.
There.
Jack.
I think you have stuff for that too.
Jack. Say bye-bye. Too busy.
He's a singing eater, like a flamingo kid.
Hey, Jack.
Look at Daddy.
Psst, psst,
Hey,
psst.
Jack.
Bye-bye.
Can we wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.
He's like, what is mommy's hand doing?
Yeah,
That's it.
but
Look at
that's
that.
bye-bye.
Yay. Bye.